Compulocks iPad Air M2 Apex Cart Real Test. Clumsy setup to locked Pro-Kiosk.
Ever watch your expensive iPad wobble on a flimsy stand while customers try to check in, terrified it'll topple over or walk away? Last month, a hotel manager told me their tablet rolled across the lobby mid-guest interaction because the casters wouldn't lock. The embarrassment was real. The lost credibility was worse. Cables everywhere, screen tilted wrong, total chaos. Sound painfully familiar?
It's not just one awkward moment. It's the mounting pressure every time someone touches that unstable screen. The visceral tension watching it shift. Cheap carts crack under daily use. Universal holders never fit right. And exposed cables scream unprofessional. You tried budget solutions. They failed. Every interaction feels like a risk. There has to be a smarter, rock-solid way to present your iPad professionally.
Then everything changed when I found the Compulocks iPad Air M2 13-inch Apex enclosure rolling card, Rise Freedom Extended White. Don't just pick any tablet card. Make sure it has a high-grade aluminum device-specific enclosure with articulating arms and through-pole cable management, so you never waste time on wobbly mounts, stolen devices, and tangled cables literally everyone complains about again. This isn't another universal bracket. It's precision machined exclusively for the iPad Air M2 13-inch, locking it securely while keeping every port, camera, and button fully accessible. Here's what surprised me. 2 articulating 6-inch arms extend a full 12 inches, letting you pan and position the screen exactly where users need it, over counters, toward wheelchairs, or pulled close for signatures. The Visa plate tilts 90 degrees from flat to vertical. The pole adjusts from true sitting to standing height for ADA compliance. Locking casters anchor it rock solid during use, then roll effortlessly to storage. Through-pole cable routing hides every wire. No dangling charging cables, no trip hazards, just clean, professional presentation. Smooth, powder-coated white surfaces survive daily commercial disinfecting without a scratch. Let me be honest, this is kiosk-grade security that moves like furniture.
6 months in, deployment mornings look completely different now. Setup takes minutes. Wheel it in, lock the casters, adjust the height, done. The iPad stays secure, the screen stays perfectly angled, and guests interact confidently without wobble or worry. An enterprise IT solutions architect stated, "The build quality is in a different league from generic tablet carts. The high-grade aluminum enclosure fits like a glove with zero play. I trust this for mission-critical deployments." A healthcare IT influencer shared, "The smooth, powder-coated surfaces withstand repeated hospital-grade disinfection without degradation. The height adjustment meets ADA requirements in every clinical setting we've tested." A verified medical office manager wrote, 8 months of daily patient check-ins, constant disinfecting, and 0 issues. The through-pole cable management keeps our reception area looking professional. But what about the investment compared to cheaper carts? You're getting aluminum construction that lasts years, not months. Device-specific precision that eliminates the fit and stability problems universal holders create. Commercial-grade durability rated for healthcare disinfectants and retail foot traffic. The learning curve is non-existent. Assemble once, adjust as needed, lock and roll. Thousands of hospitals, hotels, retail stores, and corporate lobbies rely on Compulocks daily. Are you still risking your expensive iPad on equipment that feels temporary instead of investing in hardware built for the long haul?
The Compulocks iPad Air M2 13-inch Apex enclosure rolling cart isn't just a stand, it's the foundation of professional, secure mobile iPad deployments that command respect. Thousands of professionals across healthcare, hospitality, retail, and corporate environments already depend on it daily for check-in kiosks, point of sale, and interactive displays. Results may vary by environment, but the transformation from shaky improvisation to locked-down confidence is immediate. Check the link in the description or pinned comment. It's time to present your iPad like the professional tool it is. Click and elevate your deployment today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.